everyone. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 88, Easy Speaking Practice for Beginners. But wait, today we're making it super fun and exciting. I'm Lily, and sitting next to me, or should I say bouncing with energy next to me, is Ben.
Woohoo! Hi, Lily. Hi, awesome listeners. Are you ready to have a blast while speaking English? No boring lessons today. We're turning speaking practice into a game party. If you're A1 or A2 and feel shy about talking, this episode is your new best friend. Grab a smile, repeat after us, and let's play.
Exactly. Imagine we're at the coolest playground, but instead of swings, we have English words and laughs. First game, greeting challenge. Super fast greetings like in a race.
Ready, set, go. Hello. Hi there. Hey. What's up? How's it going? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Haha, Ben, you're too fast. Listeners, shout them back. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello. Hi. Hey. Repeat 3 times louder each time. Feel that energy? You're already winning.
Winner gets an imaginary high five. Now, level up. Greeting plus name game. I'll start. Hi, I'm Ben, the king of fun. Your turn after me. Hi, I'm your name, the superstar.
Hi, I'm Lily, the queen of giggles. Okay, listeners, pause me if you need. Say it big and proud. Hi, I'm your name, the fun title, like the dancing machine, the pizza lover, the superhero.
I love it. My fun title today, Ben, the silly joke master. Knock knock.
Who's there? Boo. Boo-hoo.
Don't cry, it's just English practice. Haha, see? Jokes make speaking fun. Try one. Knock knock.
Let listeners imagine responding.
You say, who's there? Then make your own silly one. English jokes are the best warm-up.
Brilliant. Now, game number 2. 2 truths and a lie, beginner style. We say 3 things about ourselves. 2 are true, 1 is fake. Guess which is the lie.
Okay, my turn. 1, I have a pet dinosaur. 2, I like ice cream every day. 3, I live in Canada.
I think number 1 is the lie. Dinosaurs are extinct, right?
Yes, good guess. Listeners, your turn. Say out loud. 1, I can fly. 2, I like chocolate. 3, I have blue hair. Which is the lie? Pause and shout your guess.
Fun, right? Now you make your own. Say 3 things, make 1 crazy lie. Then tell a friend or mirror which one is fake.
Next game, emoji story time. We describe our day using only simple words, but imagine emojis.
Like this. I wake up, eat breakfast, go to school, play with friends, eat pizza, watch stars. Your turn. Describe your day with sounds. I wake up, yawn, eat, num-num, run, zoom.
Listeners, say your day out loud with fun noises. Make it silly. I wake up. Beep beep alarm. Eat. Yummy. Dance. Woohoo!
You're doing great. Now, super fun one. Role play adventure. We're spies on a mission.
Agent Lily, do you copy? We need to buy ice cream, but secret code.
Copy, Agent Ben. Hello, ice cream man. 1 chocolate, please. Shh, it's top secret.
Yes, code word yummy. Listeners, be spies too. Pretend, excuse me, where is the treasure? It's under the bed. Haha.
Now switch. You're at a magic shop. Hello, I want to buy a flying carpet. How much?
Only 100 smiles. Pay with laughs. Ha ha ha.
Listeners, try, hello, I want a magic something funny, like a singing banana. Say it with big voice.
This is so much fun. Okay, quick game. Word Chan. I say a word, you add one that starts with last letter.
Apple,
Elephant.
tiger.
Rabbit.
Listeners, keep going out loud. Cat, tiger, red, dog, Go! Don't stop until you laugh.
Now, feelings game. How do you feel right now? Use silly faces.
I feel super happy, like I ate too much candy.
I feel crazy excited, like jumping on a trampoline.
Your turn. I feel happy, silly, tired, funny because silly reason. Like, I feel silly because I talk to my cat in English.
Perfect. Last big game. 60-second story. We tell a tiny story together. I'll start. Once upon a time, a brave penguin,
Wanted to learn English.
he said hello to a fish.
The fish said hi back
They danced.
and ate ice cream.
The end. Happy ending.
Now you tell a 60-second story out loud. Start once upon a time. Make it funny. A cat who sings, a robot who loves pizza. Go.
Wow, listeners, you're stars. Feel how easy and fun speaking is when it's a game?
Totally. Today we played greeting challenge, 2 truths and a lie, emoji story, spy role play, word chain, feelings with silly reasons, and 60-second story. We used greetings, names, likes, daily things, questions, feelings, and imagination, all in super simple English.
Remember, every laugh makes your English stronger. Speak every day like this, even 5 minutes, and you'll be chatting like pros soon. Record yourself, giggle at mistakes, they're part of the fun, and try with friends or family. Listeners, are you just starting to learn English? Do you feel nervous when you try to speak? Don't worry, today we're going to practice together in a fun, easy way. We'll use simple words and sentences. You can repeat after us and feel more confident. Let's start.
That's right, Ben. Imagine you're at a coffee shop and you meet a new friend. What do you say first? Let's practice greetings. I'll say hello and you repeat after me. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? Great job if you repeated that. Now my turn. Hi, nice to meet you. Repeat. Hi, nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now let's make it a little conversation. Ben, pretend you're the new friend. Hello, how are you?
Hi, Lily. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name's Ben. What's yours?
My name is Lily. Nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Listeners, pause and repeat this whole chat. Say it out loud. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? And so on. It helps you remember.
Yes, speaking practice is like riding a bike. At first it's hard, but soon it's easy. Now, let's talk about introducing yourself. Ben, tell me about you.
Sure. I'm Ben. I'm from Canada. I like soccer and pizza. What about you, Lily?
I'm Lily. I'm from England. I like reading books and walking in the park. See? Simple sentences. Listeners, try it. Say, I'm, your name. I'm from, your country. I like, something.
Awesome. Repeat after me. I'm Ben. I'm from Canada. I like soccer.
Good. Now let's add ages. How old are you, Ben?
I'm 28 years old. How old are you?
I'm 26. Easy, right? Practice. How old are you? I'm your age years old.
Let's make it fun. Imagine we're at a party. Hi, what's your name? How old are you? Where are you from?
Hi, I'm Lily. I'm 26. I'm from England. And you?
I'm Ben. I'm 28. I'm from Canada. Now you try with a friend or in the mirror.
Mirrors are great for practice. No one judges you. Okay, next, asking about family. Do you have brothers or sisters, Ben?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Tom. Do you have family?
Yes, I have a sister. Her name is Anna. Simple words. Brother, sister, name.
Repeat. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother.
Or, no, I don't have brothers or sisters. That's okay too.
Now, pets. I love animals. Do you have a pet, Lily?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Whiskers. She's cute. What about you?
I have a dog. His name is Max. He likes to run.
Fun. Practice. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. No, I don't.
Let's combine. Tell me about your family and pet.
My family, mom, dad, sister Anna. pet, cat whiskers.
My family, mom, dad, brother Tom, pet, dog Max.
Listeners, say yours out loud. It builds confidence.
Time for daily routines. What do you do every day, Lily?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work. What about you?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I exercise, then breakfast.
Simple verbs. Wake up, eat, go.
Repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast.
Add time. At 8 p.m., I watch TV. At 9 p.m., I go to bed.
Yes. Practice questions. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7, and you?
At 6. Now food. What's your favorite food?
I like pasta. It's yummy. Yours?
Pizza. I eat it often.
Ask, what's your favorite food? I like food.
Colors too. What's your favorite color?
Blue, like the sky.
Green, like trees.
Easy. Red, blue, green, yellow.
Practice. My favorite color is blue.
Now weather. How's the weather today?
It's sunny. I like sunny days.
It's rainy here. I stay inside.
Words. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy.
Ask, how's the weather? It's sunny.
Great. Let's role-play a phone call.
Ring ring. Hello?
Hi, Lily. It's Ben. How are you?
Hi, Ben. I'm good. What's up?
Want to go to the park?
Yes. When?
At 2 p.m.
Okay. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Short and sweet. Repeat the call. Now shopping. At a store. Hello. How much is this?
It's $10.
Thank you. I'll take it.
Polite words. Please. Thank you.
Yes. Excuse me. Where's the bread?
Over there.
Thanks.
Practice shopping talk.
Travel. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Paris.
Me too. It's beautiful.
Ask, where do you want to go?
I want to go to place.
Hobbies. What do you like to do?
I like playing guitar.
I like drawing.
Fun. Say, I like hobby.
Feelings. How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
I feel excited.
Or I feel tired.
Practice, how do you feel? I feel happy.
Directions. How do I get to the station?
Go straight, then left.
Thanks.
Words, straight, left, right.
Yes.
Now a story. Once I lost my way.
What happened?
I asked, excuse me, where is the hotel?
And?
They said, turn right.
Good ending.
Practice stories.
Health. How are you feeling?
I have a headache.
Oh, rest.
Or, I'm fine.
Ask, are you okay?
Yes, thanks.
School or work? What do you study?
I study English.
Me too.
Or, I work as a teacher.
Practice jobs. Teacher, doctor, student.
Numbers. Count 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Up to 10.
Days. Monday, Tuesday.
Wednesday, Thursday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Months. January, February.
And so on.
Time. What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
3:30.
3:45.
Simple times.
Now opinions. Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Why?
They're sour.
Agree or disagree?
Movies. What's your favorite movie?
Harry Potter.
Star Wars.
Talk about it.
Books too.
Yes.
Music. I like pop.
I like rock.
Sing a bit? No, just talk. Sports. Do you play soccer?
No, I play tennis.
Fun.
Animals. What's your favorite animal?
Elephant.
Dog.
Why?
Cute.
Now let's review a big conversation.
Hi, Ben.
Hi, Lily. How are you?
Good. What's new?
Nothing much. You?
Same. Let's talk about our day.
I woke up, ate, worked.
Me too.
Favorite things?
Food, pasta, color, blue.
Pizza, green.
Family,
Brother.
sister,
Pet,
cat,
dog.
weather,
Sunny.
Rainy.
Plans?
Go to park.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
See? All together.
Listeners, you did great.
Okay, let's wrap up. Today, we practiced greetings, introductions, family, pets, routines, food, colors, weather, phone calls, shopping, travel, hobbies, feelings, directions, health, jobs, numbers, days, months, time, opinions, movies, books, music, sports, and animals. We had simple chats and role plays.
Remember, practice every day. Speak out loud. You're getting better. Listen again or try with friends.
You're amazing. Keep playing, keep smiling, keep speaking. Thanks for joining our fun episode. See you next time on Think in English, the podcast.
Bye-bye. High five through the screen. High five. Keep the games going. Woohoo!
Bye.